Hey guys, Mr. Gucci here with the question 3A from the volume stoichiometry homework. All right, so let's get to it. So, first step, of course, is to balance the equation. You've got two hydrogens and two hydrogens, so that's good. You've got one oxygen and two oxygens, so we got to multiply it by 2 to get them to be equal. But now, 2 times H2 is 4 hydrogens, so we got to put a 2 over here to get the hydrogens to match. We had to go back and change that. So there we go. The balance equation is 2, 2, 1. All right, very good. On to the next step. We have 60 liters of hydrogen gas. They want to know how many liters of oxygen gas are also produced. So let's get to it. First step is to take our 60 liters 60 liters of hydrogen gas, and we got to convert it into moles of hydrogen gas. And the way we do that is to get from liters into moles, we divide by 22.4. 22.4 liters is 1 mole. So 60 divided by 22.4 is 2.68 moles of hydrogen. All right, there we go. The next step is we take our moles of hydrogen, 2.68 moles of hydrogen, and we got to figure out how many moles of oxygen that is going to also produce. So we got to go from moles of hydrogen to moles of oxygen. So out of hydrogen into oxygen. Out of hydrogen into oxygen. And for that, we look to the balanced equation. All right. 2 hydrogens are produced for every 1 oxygen produced. So it's 1 over 2. So we're going to take 2.68 and we're going to multiply it by 1 over 2, or 1/2. We're just going to cut it in half. And I think I can do that in my brain. 1.34 moles of oxygen. Now the last step is we don't want moles of oxygen, we want liters of oxygen. So we have to take 1.34 moles of O2, and we got to convert it into liters of O2. Now to get out of moles into liters, you multiply by 22.4. So we're going to take that number, multiply it by 22.4, and we get 30 liters of oxygen. That's your final answer, 30 liters of oxygen. All right, so once again, we had our starting amount in liters. To get it into moles, we divided by 22.4. Then the next step was we did a mole conversion using the balanced equation, and then we multiplied by 22.4 to get it back into liters again. There you go, guys.